So guys, here we are with another new video. So in this video I will tell you only some settings to start the project. After that we will go to build a new project. Okay, some setting which is very important, right? See, this is the sheet, AutoCAD sheet. You just have to, first of all, you have to set your unit, in which unit you are making design. Example, meter, feet and millimeters. Just enter the unit, the last, and click. You just select here architectural, inches, feet, whatever you can select and change, or is the feet and inches. Architectural, it will be go feet and inches. Okay, that is the okay. So here another thing, you just need a uh, another tool that is called the dimension with the parallel. Okay guys, so for the dimension again you just have to setting of the dimension. So enter the D, enter, modify. There you can check units, architectural, and that should be same in there and there. If that is the mismatch, so if you press the some value in the feet, then that will show in the dimension in the meter. So that is the main problem. Okay guys, so make sure if you change something, then apply here and okay, and set, modify. Okay, close. So our file is ready. Now I'm telling you some setting and features. Example, you have a 10 feet. Guys, in your keyboard near enter you can see there is a key that is two dot is the inches and one dot is the feet. So if you press the shift, that it comes in the inches, and if you press the feet, that comes in a feet. So again 10 feet is enter. Then you can, guys, you can use one thing I left, that you use your um, cursor to zoom in and out, right? So here you have line. If you want to make the dimension, you want to give the dimension. So what you have to do, there is a dimension, there is a linear, line, angular, arc, radius, diameter, and many things. So linear means that will be count only of 90 degree, 10 feet. Okay, that will not count the taper part. Example, the linear, so it will be count on only this dimension, not the length. Okay guys, if you have any inclined object, inclined line, so you have to go for the aligned line. So just click and align line. Okay guys, so this is the difference between align and linear. Third is angular. If you have some angle, so if you mention the angle, so what you have to do, angle only start with the 90 degree. So you have to give the base also for the angle, because angle needs two dimension. So there, angular dimension, click on this and click on this, that is, and press. It is the 36 degree. You can mention the angle, right? So in dimension, next is the arch length. If you have a arch, there, this is a taper part. Here, see, enter, enter, and fit. See, if we have a taper arch, so you want to this dimension, outer dimension, that is called arch length. So you can see that is the called the cross section area of any arch. Okay guys, so circle, radius, diameter, I already told you. If you have a circle of 10, so if you want to give a radius dimension. So click their radius, and same if you want to give a diameter, click and diameter. Also I'm telling you the different how to make a circle in different. If click circle, this is dimension in the radius. If you want to change your dimension in diameter, so press D, enter, it will become in the dimension. You can see upper side 1 degree, like 10, that is the 10 is the diameter. Okay guys, you can change. So this is the few setting. Also if you have a line and then you want to change something in line, example your color, you can change red, blue, just select this, not line, any object, you can change color, whatever. Also you have a thickness, you make it thicker, 15 mm, 20 mm. So in the PDF form it will be look very thick. And third is the, you can make it dashed, you can make it hidden, you can make it dotted line. So here you can see dotted line, but why it is not showing like dotted? So I'm telling you, because line is very small. So if you make bigger line, and because line is very small and scale is very higher, so it is the dashed line. Okay, so what you have to do now, click it and press the PER properties, enter. Now you can see here, there also you can change it. The value is 20, you can press 1, also you can run 200. So you can see if you increase the dimension, so gap will be increased 500. Okay guys, so this is the some setting 700. So which kind of dotted line you want to make? Okay guys, so this is our line setting. Also we have many options here, same similar options, thickness and many things. Okay, so moving forward to our next setting. Also for drafting, just see, you have one object and make sure your polar and offset are the on. Example, click here and right click, select end point, midpoint, center point, quarter, intersection, whichever your perpendicular mean, if you copy this, so if copy this and move this, so you can see the perpendicular point in 90 degree. Okay, so these also should be many things on parallel, except midpoint is very important. End point, nearest just close the nearest point, because that make very problem to making design. And perpendicular and intersection, these are the, that is the shortcut key to make faster design. Okay, so next we have a screen setting. If you want to set your screen, just click, right click, options, you have many options, display. Okay, you want to change the color, you want to make it black, yeah, right, white, apply, you can make it white. Okay guys, so now we will work on right sheet only, because benefit to use the right white display is that, oh, it will be good for your eyes also. And because if you print out your design, so there the print and the paper will be in the white color, right? So now whatever the color and things you will give in your design, so that will be show in the similar to the paper. Because if you work on the black sheet, so sometime you give the green, so okay, color, and that will not come in the white paper properly. You have to go for the color printer and many good printer, right? So my advice to use the white sheet also, because it is good for the eyes. Black sheet, in the black sheet you have to see very deeply. Okay, so these were the setting. So now I think we are good to go with our design. Okay guys, so you have done with your unit setting, dimension setting, and paper setting and page setting. So see you guys in next video. Thank you.